lettuce vegetables, and these are cucumbers, and this is a cheese, and these are slices of tomatoes, and this is salt and pepper, and this is our toaster, and this is butter, and this is our bread. And we use all these toppings to make our first sandwich. Today we're gonna first put in the bread, and then I'm gonna ask my mom to turn it on. Okay, my mama will help me take out the bread, and it's very hot. So my mom helped me take out the bread, and I have to now spread the butter. Now all the butter is spreaded. Now we have to put the vegetables and cucumbers and cheese and tomatoes. Now we first have to take the lettuce. And then we'll have to add the tomatoes, one by one. And then we'll need some cucumbers. And then we'll need some... Now we're going to add the salt and pepper. A little bit black. Have to add the cheese. Mom has to help me put on the bread by one bread on top. Quiet, guys. Sandwich is ready. It's ready to eat. It's going to be